Donald Trump has become the first US president to feature in a police mugshot. The photograph, where he glares venomously at the camera, has now gone viral and into the history books. On his way to the airport after his release on a bail bond, he insisted on camera that he had done no wrong.
Taking place here is a travesty of justice. We did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong. And everybody knows it. I've never had such support.
Trump faces a total of 13 counts related to alleged attempts to subvert Georgia's 2020 election results, including conspiracy and violating Georgia's racketeering law. This case marks the fourth round of criminal charges leveled against him this year, adding to his legal troubles as he looks at returning to the White House with the upcoming 2024 presidential election. He was arrested on charges of violating Georgia's Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations or RICO Act, as well as 6 conspiracy counts over alleged efforts to commit forgery, impersonate a public official, and submit false statements and documents. In the Georgia case, the evidence against Trump includes a taped phone call in which he allegedly asks Georgia's then Secretary of State to find enough votes to reverse the result. Trump has been booked, but he's yet to be arraigned. In fact, the exact date of Trump's arraignment hasn't been set yet. The proceeding will allow Trump to enter a plea after being formally charged. Trump has previously pleaded not guilty to state charges in a hush money case, federal charges in a classified documents case, and federal charges in an election conspiracy case. Fulton County District Attorney suggested last week that the arraignments for all the defendants in the Georgia case could take place during the first week of September. The Fulton County District Attorney initially proposed a March 4, 2024 start date for Trump's Georgia election interference trial. However, after a co-defendant demanded a speedy trial earlier this week, it was suggested that the trial begin in October of 2023. But Trump's lead attorney has filed a motion opposing the October date and asked for Trump's case to be delinked from that of the co-accused. So it is yet not clear when Trump's trial will begin. But whenever it does, it is likely to be the only trial in which proceedings will be televised. Trump's various trials, if they take place next year, may coincide with the Republican presidential primary season, which begins in January, and the campaign for the November 2024 White House election. So, Trump's campaigning schedule is likely to be complicated. With less than 6 months before the first Republican presidential caucuses and primaries, Trump will campaign and hold rallies while also making regular court appearances. The former president will do this with the sure knowledge that his core support will not break with him and that he will continue to retain their loyalty. But no doubt, in the race for the Republican presidential nomination, the arrest in Georgia has brought fresh hope to Trump's closest contender, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis. A recent tracking poll has Trump on 58% and Ron DeSantis on 15%, but the poll was carried out before the arrest. Legal and financial challenges aside, it will be the political battles over the next 13 months and the verdict of voters that will determine Donald Trump's eventual fate.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.